Right, hello. We've done Frankie Jack's bedroom up tonight, but there just wasn't enough room to be able to get a camera in. Sadly, I haven't been able to go into the other bedroom because I wanted to have that done for Christmas, you know, with all the new stuff. But obviously, I'll save that for next year. I just haven't had a chance. Please don't forget, it's lovely that you've stopped by. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It would be lovely to have you on board. Now, this is not for children. I want to state this is not for under 13-year-olds. Even though I've done the bedroom for a 5-year-old, this is to show a mum how to do or how I've done my son's bedroom for Christmas. So this is not a video for kids. However, we may get a little surprise in the bedroom as well. We've been at it all night tonight, decorating, and we're going to show you. So it's pretty similar to what it was last year. There's a few odd bits, but we're going to show you around, and I'm going to turn you around and take you right in now. But I'm also going to show you how dreadful everywhere else looks still, and give you the shock. So give you the Insta glam and then give you the horror, because it's all still going on. So here we are, we've got Merry Christmas on the door and we're coming in. We've got this lovely snowman that's lit up. We've turned all the lights off deliberately. Oh, we've got Santa Sack! Santa Sack, and it's Frankie Jack. Do you want to talk around your bedroom while we've decorated it tonight? No, you're not bothered? You let Mummy do it? Elf. You've got Elf. Don't wreck it before I've shown everybody. So I've got Dear Santa. I've been very busy. Oh, sorry, I've been very good for the last week. Let's just focus on that, which I think is hilarious. We've got the Springing Santa. This is an old decoration of mine that I've put in the room. Oh, look at this, is all the mess I'm going to show you in a moment. We've got the pudding on the floor, which helps keep the door open. We've got a snowman that I bought from Van Hague years ago, and it's still running. I don't normally get it out, but I do for Frankie Jack's bedroom. We've got a handprint that he did at nursery. It has got the year on it, but I can't think, but it must be sort of 2016, something like that. All the pictures from when we went to Disney last year. He loves nutcrackers, so we've got that. We've got the dream that you saw me do a vlog in. I'll put it down below from some of the stuff that I bought from Primark, but I'm not using it all because I'm not in the right bedroom. We've got some old decorations of my mum's that we pinched from her house last year, which she decided not to use anymore. An elf hat that I got from Manchester. He loves this. This is a Santa sleigh, and that's Rudolph on the end. And this came from Sainsbury's a couple of years ago, and actually they still have them. Oh, they did have them in stock last year, down on the windowsill. Oh, he's tearing around. Don't make it a mess before I've shown everybody. Get down, you little tearaway. These are, please, Frankie Jack, please. Oh, Santa's key. Because he's just going to make a mess everywhere, and I want to show you before he makes a mess, because that is going to happen. You are going to make, yeah, I'm going to make a mess. I'm going to make a mess. So we've got the Santa and the reindeer. These were when I had my candy cane room. This is Baby's First Christmas, which is obviously a snow globe that plays music. That's from 2014. These, if you remember, these were in that Primark vlog. So these just light up. I just think they're so cute. This is the blanket that we used to use on him when he was a child. And this is just some of the old decorations from me. This Gary bought me years ago because I've always loved Disney. Probably not as mad as I am on it now, but that actually twinkles. This Gary bought me years ago from Harrods. This is probably about 15 years old. This Gary bought me years ago from a very sort of luxurious toy shop for kids, but this is for adults, I think. And then this is so lovely. Now, this has been made, it's called Forever Freddy, so you can actually go and have these made. Oh, that's lovely. That's from downstairs. Ah, and this is everything that he wore on his first Christmas. So this was his first Christmas jumper. This was his baby grow that he wore. This was his hat that says ho 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 on it, and it says Forever Freddy there. This is what we actually took him to. We took him to Salzburg on his first Christmas, and he wore that on the plane. This was a really lovely all-in-one that he had. So we've had this teddy bear made by Forever Freddy, which you can do for a loved one, or for maybe your first baby, or for a first grandchild. And they're so lovely, isn't it? I love getting that out. What's this, a stick? Oh, I just do everything, then it just wrecks it. This is something that we bought on Fifth Avenue in New York. So if you're watching, anybody from America, I've got quite a few followers from America. Love you lots. That's from New York, because we always collect everywhere we go. My lovely friend bought me that, Jane, from Costco years ago. Look at him, silly little beggar. I'm not kidding you. How many Christmas carols have you been? How many Christmas songs have you been singing tonight?
I don't know, 15.
15? He has been non-stop. It's not even December yet. He's absolutely bonkers of Christmas. These lights we got, I don't know whether you can see them clearly. You can. Oh, here we go. If I come a bit further away, they're actually Mickey Mouse with hats on. And those are from Primark for £3. Right, you're knocking everything over. Come on. This is, oh, my glue dots. This is a load of teddies that I've collected over the years. My first Christmas, this is the first rattle, but all these, like Bugs Bunny and Tigger and Winnie the Pooh in Christmas outfits, I've collected those. Anybody is a big fan of Macy's? That was Macy's one year, the Garfield. Kermit was Macy's one year as well. We did actually watch the Macy's parade, Gary and I. It was fantastic, but I'd never wait like that again. It was horrific, the wait for it. We've got bears here. We've got, these were actually on his pram when he was little. This he bought last year from Manchester Markets. I don't know whether you saw that in one of the vlogs. It's still there. And this, we went to see the Rockettes at the, go on, somebody's going to shout it out to me now. Where is it? It's Radio City. And it was the best Christmas show I have ever seen. And Gary and I brought that. And now I haven't had that out for quite a few years, because we changed our decorations in our conservatory. And it used to be all candy cane. And oh my gosh, I used to love it. It used to have a train round it, real proper for kids. But so the Rockettes was what we went to see. So Gary and I deliberately bought this. So this is the first time it's been out for quite a few years. So I thought I'd put it in his bedroom. Up there, we've got Monkey. If anybody saw me on Come Dine With Me, that's the monkey that Kev gave me, that he brought on the last night. It's because I do like this monkey dance as a party trick. So I always put a hat on him. Up at the top, you probably can't see it, but they're little Santas. And we've glue dotted every other one. And it goes, so we've got the sleigh here. And then we've got, it's come off slightly. I'll have to sort that. And all the way around here. And then Gary's just put the thing up there that we can reach to. I've taken his picture down here and put "Tis the season to be jolly." It used to work that, but it doesn't anymore. And then on his bed, right, come on, get off your bed so I can have a look. It used to flash, it used to light up. These I love. So these used to be in the conservatory. So they're actually postal stamps. They were from Asda. And then this went with it, which was a letter to Santa. And then this is a letter to Santa. So all this went together. It was from Asda. And then I've also got his bedding, which is the 25 Days of Christmas. His elf hat. And these, I used to do panto many years ago. Obviously when I was, don't look at that yet, I'm going to show you in a minute, behind the scenes. And I bought these for 50p each from Clinton's Cards in the January sale, and it was down in, oh my word, Weston-super-Mare. I was in panto with Keith Harris, God rest his soul, he's not with us anymore. And I bought those for 50p each. He, when you put batteries in him, actually sings to you and his little mouth moves. It's really cute. I've got an I Believe in Christmas up here, and then I think that's showing you everything. So he's got basically a little Santa's grotto of his own. I love doing his bedroom up. Oh, look at that. That looks nice, actually, Frankie Jack. We should have had the light on. It does look better so you can see everything. Look, so I'll put the light back on. Leave it on, sweetheart, so you can see everything that he's got. And then the Santa lights, and then all the teddies, the Mickey Mouse lights. And then, and then all his elf shoes. Oh, you're missing a pair of elf shoes. I think they're underneath there. You've got your green elf shoes. He's got quite a few elf shoes. He's got the Grinch shoes. And he didn't want Dobby to go upstairs. So we've left Dobby down. And then he's just wrecked this. Santa sack's thrown on the floor already. And then all his Christmas jumpers are in here. And all his Christmas tops are in there. And then all his Christmas socks are in there. So that is Frankie Jack's. Right underneath. You'll probably find them. He's going to have a look for his other elf shoes for you. So that is Frankie Jack's bed. Have you got them? Oh, he's putting them out now. And I'm going to show you the devastation. Look, there we go. Oh, he's got another one. So he's got quite a few elf shoes. Oh, and where are your Christmas slippers? Your Christmas slippers are on the stairs. And Zippy's tried to eat one of them, hasn't she? So, he's got quite a few bits, but I always buy. Don't think that I buy and pay this full price for any of this. I always get it in the sale. Always, 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 always. So these slippers might have cost me maybe, what, £2, £3, £4 in the sale last year. The Grinch I have paid full price. These I've got in the sale. These I got in the sale. So I get a lot of stuff in the sale, or Primark, or places like that.
A bit too small for me.
Are they? The Grinch what? No, they're not. They're brand new. They are brand new. They are brand new from Primark. They shouldn't be. So that is his bedroom. That's his bedroom, and he's been very excited. So showing you this morning, because I forgot to show you last night. Well, I didn't forget to show you, I forgot to put it in. So I actually put this box in the corner of Frankie Jack's room. So this is the one that he made the big Santa sleigh with, if anybody saw that. Santa's workshop, and then it's full of his books. That's an advent calendar that I need to do for him this year. It's full of his books, so he can come and read, and we read Christmas stories, obviously, during the month of December and November. So we've got some Christmas stories there. Sorry, you can hear the dogs barking in the background. She's a nightmare, is Zippy. So those are all his Christmas books that we've gathered over the years, and because it's his 6th Christmas this year, and that's his little box that he has in the corner of his room, so he can go and get a Christmas story. Give us a thumbs up, Frankie Jack. And thank you for watching. I'll see you later, because I've got lots more on Christmas. Don't forget I'm doing the Vlogmas through December. Don't switch it off. We're going to keep it on because it looks pretty. Mummy should have had it on right from the start. But it looks very, very... I love it. It's like a really lovely Santa's grotto. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. And I will see you later. Cheerio, he's been a little monkey.